and then we fit it in the middle and add some reduce to 5 maybe, yes, 5, and then we open the plugin UIFS and we check some box. You can follow me, and then we apply avatars. Okay, we can wait a minute. Okay, done. After this we can add some tag for name delivery boy. Example, Asep Supono, and we change the font. What this font? Oh, this font is Sophia Pro. We change the font to Sophia Pro, and then we add thickness to semi bold and size to 15, just like this. Then we copy and we change the text to delivery boy, and then we change the thickness to medium, and we copy the color, yes, like this. Maybe thickness is regular. After that we enlarge the size to 10 and we adjust it. Yes, maybe like this. Okay, after that we add a icon. Where the icon? Oh, this. No. We select the icon and group. For the shortcut is Ctrl G, and we remove the empty frame. After that we add icon to frame and we change the color to white. We adjust it to middle, fit in the middle, okay, like this. And then we add we copy this rectangle for down and we change the color to white, oh, to orange, I mean, sorry. We up the layer and we change the drop shadow effect color to the orange. After that we add a icon. Wait, we select the icon and group and we delete the frame, the empty frame. Then we adjust, we add icon to frame and we change the color to white. After then we adjust and fit in the middle. After then we copy the rectangle, copy again, the size, okay, maybe like this. We adjust it in the middle and then we add a line. After that we change the line to orange and we change the stroke line to stroke style to this, yes, like this. And we add some number, maybe 10. Oh, no, maybe just 5, yes, like this. And then we change this color to white and add a stroke, and thickness is 1.5, and we change the color to for orange, and then we add icon to the frame and delete empty frame. Okay, and we change the color to white, and we adjust it. And then we add some icon. We delete the empty frame. Just maybe this is to the back, and we resize this icon, and we adjust to the fit in the middle to rectangle. We change the color and finish. Okay, we add text for the rectangle, order picking, and we change the thickness to semi bold, and we add we large size to 15, and then we adjust it the rectangle. Then we copy it, and we change the size to 10. The namely is copy. We copy the text, yes, like this, and then we adjust it, okay, like this, and then we copy to the bottom, and we change the namely on the way, and we change the time, yes, like this, and then we copy again, and we change the namely of text, delivered, and we add we copy the text, okay, finish. After that we add some text again, pizza pepperoni, and we add some size to 25, oh no, maybe 20, okay, like this, and then we change the thickness to semi bold, and we change the color to orange, yes, like this. After then we copy this for the price, $25, and we add the size to 30, and we fit it in the middle and adjust like this, and we copy, and we change the namely is 3x, and size we change to 15. The color too we change to gray, like this, yes, like this, okay, maybe this is enough, okay, maybe this is enough. Thank you for watching, guys. If you any suggestion, you can write in the comment column. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.